supposed to be a nice little kick. Like, you want to get tipsy, but you don't want to get drunk, you know? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Please just take a second to subscribe down below, turn on your bell notifications, and follow moi on Instagram. In today's video, I show you how to make the famous holiday drink, my Coquito. If you want to see what the ingredients are, just keep on watching. So for the holidays, we have the famous Coquito. I don't know about you guys, but I am Dominican and Puerto Rican, and this is our favorite holiday drink. So it incorporates Bacardi, Coco Lopez, coconut milk, evaporated milk, sweet condensed milk, a little bit of vanilla, ground cinnamon, and that is pretty much it. So we're gonna get to mixing everything. So I'm gonna start with the Coco Lopez. I said that real Spanish. That's the Spanish coming out of me. So we're just gonna open it. I'm gonna open all of the cans. That way I can just pour it all at once. And then obviously you need a can opener because these cans need to be open, or you can do it the old school way and just get yourself a knife, but that's a little dangerous. So now that all the cans are open, I'm gonna go in one by one, pouring it into our blender. And you don't need any fancy blender, you can use whatever blender you have. So I usually have to scoop the Coco Lopez out with a fork because it's kind of thick. So this is the coconut milk. Next up is the evaporated milk. And then the sweet condensed milk, also you need a spoon because at the end you need to scrape everything out. You want to make sure that no products are left in the can. Obviously these cost money, so you want to get every bit of it out. So we're just gonna scrape. Next we're gonna use the ground cinnamon. Take 1 tablespoon and just scoop out 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Bam. Then from the same cap, you're just gonna pour a little bit of vanilla, a dash of it, and that's it. And now we're gonna go ahead and mix everything together. So the gag is that I actually lost the top part of this blender, so I'm gonna have to use an old school, well, this is the way I do it, I don't know if it's old school or not, but I'm gonna have to use a tapa, a lid from another pan, because something's gotta give. So just bear with me, don't judge, but it works. So we're just gonna go ahead and low blend. So now that we've blended all of the ingredients together, I'm gonna have to pour some of the liquid out because we need to add the alcohol, and obviously this isn't big enough. So I'm gonna use this plastic container to pour some of it out and then add the alcohol. Okay, so for the alcohol, we're gonna use Bacardi. And we're gonna do 1.5 cups. And I like to measure it because you wanna make sure you're putting the right amount. You don't want people to go all crazy, you know? So now that the alcohol is in, I'm gonna go ahead and mix again. That should be good. And now we're gonna do a little taste test just to make sure that it doesn't need a little more alcohol or maybe cinnamon. And then once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and pour it into the bottles that I'm gonna go and distribute. Just here. So good. I honestly am not really a crazy drinker, so for me anything is strong, but some people may like a little more alcohol. I usually have my fiance do this part because he tends to drink a little bit more than me, so he knows what's the deal. So let me give him a taste test and then we'll go ahead and pour. Yeah?
That's fine.
So the hubby approves. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the bottles. I actually have my cone. So this is the cone that I transfer this mix into the clear glass bottles. So let me get that. So these are the glass bottles that the Coquito will go in. I'm gonna rinse these. These I get from the 99-cent stores. They're not 99 cents, they're actually $2.50. So these are quite expensive, but this is a nice gift. So if you guys want a holiday gift to, you know, give to the family or just have for yourself, this is great to purchase. Oh my God, I almost broke it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pour. Perfect. So this is the finished product. This is the Coquito. For those of you guys that don't know what it is, it's exactly what I just showed you. Really great holiday drink. You put it in the fridge, you let it sit for about 2-3 hours and drink it nice and cold. You can add ice cubes if you want. It's your personal preference. I even like to add the cinnamon sticks because it just gives it that little kick of more cinnamon. If you're like me, I love cinnamon. But this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment below. Let me know if you have any holiday drinks that you guys like. Give me any video suggestions as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!